In this video, we'll see how to make chocolate fudge truffles with roasted dry fruits and seeds. Let's get started. Take handful each of almonds and pistachios and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds in a baking tray and bake it on 180 degree for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, for a double boiler, take half a utensil of water and place any bowl over the top. Take any good chocolate slab and break it into pieces. It will start melting after few minutes. Add half a tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. Mix well. Add few tablespoons of milk, giving the chocolate mixture a thick batter consistency. Here, our roasted nuts are ready. Give it a good mix and roughly chop them, keeping them in a big chunks. It should look something like this, nice and toasty. Add the chopped nuts to chocolate mix. Add half a teaspoon of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Give it a good mix. Take a plastic container and cover it with a cling film. Put the chocolate mix in the container and freeze it for an hour. After an hour, it will hold its shape. It won't be solid, but it will be more like a doughy and fudgy texture. Wrap it in a cling foil and give it a good roll until firm. You can always use chocolate powder if it's too sticky. Cut it in equal shape and roll it into balls. Delicious chocolate fudge truffles are ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.